So what do you think about these criteria?
I think it's a good place to start. I would refine them. I think we need more of these types of articles, analysis, and I like the idea of looking at how to stop something. So it's the same with, we can refactor some code and we could stop way too late. So I would prefer, instead of saying when to start refactoring, to say always, but more to say to ask the question when to stop refactoring.
Yeah,
it's the same here. Yeah, it's the same here. When to stop architecting, when to stop using test-driven development, when to stop using evolutionary design, because that's these are tools that are extremely useful up to a point.
Yeah.
And at one moment they become more costly than the benefits that they bring you.
So I guess a good conclusion to this is always know your goal before you start doing something.
Exactly.
And this is incredibly useful. This is something that I've learned by doing test-driven development, by practicing, and it has helped me tremendously. Now I'm asking for everything. Okay, what's the actual goal? What are we trying to accomplish? And there should be a single goal, a simple goal, and it should be achievable. And the second one, remember that every practice, every technique, every tool, every programming language has an applicability domain.
Mm-hmm.
It's meant for something. It's better at something, and it's not so good when you go out of its domain. Yeah. So one of my favorite questions to ask people who are promoting certain techniques is, okay, when should you not use it?
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
And I think we have some examples with, I think Thomas Sundberg and maybe even Liskio told us when not to use BDD.
Yes. That's a better question to ask. I think it's more relevant, and that's why I like this here as well. When to stop big design up front, or when to stop design up front. That's better.
Yeah.
When to stop design up front, that's a better guidelines or idea. So I really like this way of approaching this, rather than saying you shouldn't do design up front, because that's very confusing. Or you said you should do some design up front. Okay, but how much?